Kimberly here, and today I want to show you how to create gorgeous marbled backgrounds on your cardstock. And how I created this was using Perfect Pearls from REINKER. Perfect Pearls are these super fine mica powders that add an amazing shine to your project. I am going to be using this marble image from my Modern Plus Marble kit from Papertrey Ink and some Perfect Pearls to create this incredible background. It is a really cool product. I'm going to use a little bit of scratch paper underneath to catch some of the extra powder. Now, when you're going to stamp your image, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can do it with Perfect Medium, or you could use the Versamark ink. I honestly prefer the Perfect Medium. I feel like it's a little bit stickier, if that's the right word for it, and I feel like it holds the pearls a bit better than the Versamark, but either one works just fine. I'll ink up my image here and making sure that I get a really good coverage and check the image before I stamp it, and then I'll go ahead and put the impression on the piece of cardstock. What I love about this image is you can turn it and rotate it and build your background from the bottom to the top and get a complete coverage. The stamp's also very long and very detailed, so make sure that you get a good solid image when you press down. Now that my background's been completely stamped, I'm going to add my powders. I have two different paint brushes, and these actually came with one of the kits that I bought. There's a small brush and a larger brush. To begin with, I use the small brush and I dip it into the powders, and I just pick up a very small amount. A little bit of these powders go a very long way. So I pick up a tiny amount on my brush and I brush it directly onto my stamped image. As you put these down, you can layer them to make them a little more intense in color, like I did up at the top here. And you can see that incredible shine. I'm going to continue doing this all the way down my piece of cardstock and covering my whole background, making sure that I push the extra powders around and really filling in all those spaces and making sure that I'm adding enough powder for the coverage I want. Once I've finished, I'm going to use that large brush to go ahead and buff off all the extra powder that's sitting around and left over from when I was applying it. It sweeps off very easily. And now you're going to have a little bit of a shine left on your cardstock, but that's okay because look at that beautiful finish. Here's a look at some of the other colors of Perfect Pearls in that same image, and I just love that you could create all these different colors in your backgrounds and all these beautiful finishes. So there you go. It's a gorgeous, elegant background, easy to create. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button on the bottom for more content just like this. Thanks, and have fun creating beautiful backgrounds.